Assalamu alaikum family. This is Dr. Ridger Lee. I'm in downtown Dawson, Georgia, which is the capital or the county seat of Terrell County. Terrell County is about 9,500 people, majority black, and about 65 to 70% black. And Dawson is 4,500 people. Now, I'm standing in front of McDonald's, which keeps a steady line of customers drive through. Hardly anybody sitting down. But it's got a McDonald's. 4,500 people in Dawson. They got a McDonald's. All this on one street now. They got a DQ. They got a Pizza Hut. They got a Subway. They got a Hardee's. And they have a Huddle House. Now, they also have a Winn-Dixie restaurant. I mean, Winn-Dixie, no, Piggly Wiggly. It's right across the street over here. Piggly Wiggly. And what keeps the Piggly Wiggly inside there, they have a huge deli. Chicken on top of chicken. So no, we don't have a Popeyes yet, but 4,500 population, majority black. You got, I thought we used to cook. You got a DQ, you got a Pizza Hut, you got a McDonald's, you got a Hardee's, you got a Huddle House, all this on the same street. Now, so I'm telling young black people who want to go into farming, do not go into farming to produce raw food. People don't eat raw food, and they ain't go cook no raw food. Not from scratch. You got to put it in something they can microwave, or better yet, you should grow you some peach trees to grow you some peach pies. Don't grow no peach trees to sell no peaches. You need to get some peaches and make the best peach pie in your neighborhood, in your area. Become the king and queen of the peach pie. Then you grow you some peach trees to fill your peach pies, but you buy your peaches from somebody else and make the money off of them with the peach pie, and then grow your own to fill that. Make all the money from the land to the man. Nobody between. Because all the money is made off of the farmer after it leaves the farm. For instance, in a loaf of bread, costs you what, $3, $4 a loaf of bread? The farmer gets 9 cents for the wheat. And mostly what's in a loaf of bread is wheat. The farmer gets 9 cents. So, I tell all the farmers, do like we did at Muhammad Farms. Get you a flour mill. Mill you some wheat. Sell the flour, cream of wheat. And then put up a bakery like we have here in Brownwood, and then turn that into pies, and turn them into cookies, and turn them into bread. That's where the money's at. People are not cooking, and you can't make them do it. So therefore, you better learn how to grow something that you can make into a final product. And don't even get your restaurant. Get you a trailer or a truck, turn it into a restaurant. Keep it moving, baby. Keep it moving, baby. Assalamu alaikum family.